I'm showing you how to disable developer mode on the Claude Desktop app for Windows. You've likely noticed that once this mode is enabled, there isn't a simple toggle or button in the settings menu to turn it back off. To fix this, we need to go behind the scenes and edit a specific configuration file. First, make sure you close the Claude Desktop app completely. It is not enough to just click the X on the window. You need to go to your system tray in the bottom right corner of your taskbar, find the Claude icon, right-click it, and select Quit. If the app is still running in the background, your changes won't save correctly. Now, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the text field, type %appdata%\Claude and press Enter. This shortcut takes you directly to the internal folder where the app stores your personal configuration data. Look through the list of files until you find one named developer_settings.json. If you have installed it via MSIX like me, the path is a little different. Just press Windows key and the R key at the same time, and then paste this path you see on the screen to the dialog box. Now, here you can find the developer_settings.json. Right-click that file and choose Open With, then select a text editor like Notepad. Inside this file, you will see a line of code that says Allow DevTools, followed by the word True. The important thing is to change that word True to False, so the line reads Allow DevTools, False. Once you have made that change, save the file and close the editor. Now, go ahead and restart Claude Desktop. To verify that it worked, click on the Help menu at the top of the app. You should see the option to Enable Developer Mode appearing there again. This confirms that the mode is currently disabled. Keep in mind that by turning this off, you lose access to the inspection tools and console features used for debugging, but it returns your app to a clean, standard state. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.